Okay, there we are. It's the Millersburg Ferry. The only wooden stern paddle wheel ferry like it in the United States. There's nothing like it anywhere except here in central Pennsylvania, right in little old Millersburg. Can you find this ferry? I'll take a couple of more shots of it after a while once it's moving. It's not real fast, but it's effective and it's very safe. All right, the guys are getting ready to take off here. Go across from the east side to the west side. It's about a 20-25 minute ride. They got a lot of water right now. There's one of the captains. I don't know how clear this footage will be. I can't tell with the lighting, and I just don't know. But there she is. The Millersburg Ferry. Oldest thing like it in the country. The only one like it running. You see, they just started the paddle wheels off. And off she goes. And it's not really a speedboat, but does a real nice job. Look at that. That's really nice, huh? Bring your family to Millersburg, Pennsylvania, and come down here for a picnic lunch. Take your kids across from the Millersburg Ferry. You'll never forget it. Yep, we got it all right here in Little Millersburg. The river, the park. You can't come down here and sit and rock in a swing and get your mind right with feeling good. There's something wrong with you. Alright, I'm back here at the river in the afternoon. It's about a little after 3 o'clock, and the wind's blowing about 35 miles an hour here. I'm just wondering how the captain's going to get that boat into the dock. He is a pretty savvy guy. He knows what he's doing, that's for sure. But it is windy out there. As you can see, the boat's kind of planing off to the one side. He's setting it up to back it in, like. That's how they do it. So let's just watch Captain chop here and see how he makes out. This morning when the boat went across, when I took the first footage, there was absolutely no wind and it was perfect out. Right now it's a little more complicated to land this boat. But that's the oldest wooden stern paddle wheel ferry in the country. In fact, it's the only one. And this is in Millersburg, Pennsylvania, on the Susquehanna River. Okay, he's got the paddles going again. He's trying to straighten it out so he can back it in there.